In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide reposts on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up TikTok app. Now I'm gonna repost that video to demonstrate you how all of this works. To repost a video, we need to tap right here at share. And that's where we can easily find repost. If you repost a video, it will be saved to repost videos section, and then any user, if they head over to our TikTok profile, will be able to tap right here at this repost or shortcut or tab, and that's how they can find all the videos you have ever reposted. If you want to hide that information from strangers, first off, you need to tap right here at these three lines and then head over to Settings and Privacy. Now, guys, we need to tap right here where it says Privacy, and you can try to look here for a setting that allows you to hide reposts, but unfortunately there is no such setting here, and the only way to hide reposts in TikTok is to make your account private by activating that option. With a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos and see the videos you reposted. Don't worry, your existing followers won't be affected. If you want to hide repost from a particular TikTok user, first off, you need to go back to your TikTok profile and then tap right here at followers. Now we need to find the user we want to deny access to our reposts. We can easily do so by scrolling down through all our followers list. However, if you got thousands of followers, you can use search to search for a user by their username. Once you find a user, hit right here at three dots and then tap at remove this follower. That will unfollow that user from your TikTok account. It says here that this user will no longer follow you and won't be notified that you removed them. To continue, hit remove. Basically, guys, that's the only way how we can hide our reposts on TikTok. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.